We're here at Bryce Canyon National Park and hiking the rim trail from Sunrise Point to Sunset Point. It's a really easy hike. You can hear her from the path in front of me. It's a dirt path. If you really want, you can also walk on the paved path right over there. But totally worth it if you want spectacular views of the canyon below and the hoodoos, the towering cliffs that just kind of reach up to the sky. Even better is if you attach this rim trail for a hike that starts at sunrise or Sunset Point and goes in the opposite direction through the canyon valley floor along the Queen's Garden Trail. And you can see some of that trail over there, winding through. I'll do a little zoom in for you. Highly recommend the trail. It takes you through both the hoodoos as well as the trees there, the forest on the valley floor. All beautiful. There you have it. Little taste of the rim trail here at Bryce Canyon National Park. Thanks for watching.